know, may I get the internet. Yeah, may I get the internet in it.
Yes.
Yeah, I might have to take that out, right?
Yeah, you got to go one more.
You think so?
Then you can go one more so you can hear.
Yeah. Over to the truck. Alright, yeah, that's good. I got it from here. Yeah, I'm gonna back it right by the door. It's all on me. Yeah, alright, you got something for me to sign? Alright, yeah, it's see him down. Alright guys, so we just signed off on it. Looks like it's in one piece. That's the 12 foot, so now we gotta get it over in there. So let's go over here. Look, I'm sweating guys. Life every day guys, life every day. Life every day. Alright, I'm gonna get the doors open and then try and get this thing unload. Luckily I have the contractors next door, so they'll help me to take it out. They'll definitely help me to take it out. Alright guys, so the easy part was done, to getting it off the truck and get it in the van. So now I got this pallet jack. I'm gonna swap out spaces with this guy and then back it towards the door right here. So let's open up this door. Alright guys, so we got everything off. I had the contractor guys next door, so they helped me slide it off in here. I could have actually did it myself though, because I had this pallet jack right here. So what we did was put the pallet jack on one end, and then I put the board as a ramp on the other end. So we just slide it off pretty much. So pretty much I could have done it myself. The guys, they just pretty much rest their hands on it. So, you know, 3 of them was next door, and that's the other one right here guys. That's the 10-foot hood, but this is a 12 foot, so this is the one that's gonna go right here. in the ceiling right here, you know, where that thing is. So right now we're just gonna have the hood guy scheduled to come out and install this one. He's gonna take this one back. He told me to just accept it and leave it right there, but this one is the one we're gonna use, this longer one. As you can tell, it's much longer than this one. This one is a 10 foot, the other one is a 12 foot. So we're on it, guys. We're getting the stuff together. You know, we have our tiles, we have our lights in there, our sink stuff. We have our 3-tier sink over here. So we got our 3-tier sink. We have our vegetable sink right here, and we have our mop sink right here. We have to get our water heaters. We also got to get what else we got to get? We got to get, there's something else, water heaters. That's pretty much it. And then when we're done, we're gonna get all our FRP. We have to choose some tiles that we're gonna do in the service area, the front area, pickup area, and we need tiles for the bathroom. The bathroom has to be tiled from floor to ceiling. So it has to be tiled all the way up, all the way down. This bathroom, we could put FRP in it, but the guest bathroom, we're gonna tile from ceiling to floor. This we're gonna FRP as well. It's like a storage. All back here is gonna be quarry tiles. So we still have our tiles to buy for the flooring. Once they get done, all our FRP and tiles for the bathroom. As far as equipment, I still need my water heater. I still need 2 refrigerators to go right here, and the oven, the double stack oven to go under here. So we have to get those together. I got the doors already. So one of these doors is gonna be for the bathroom. It's a metal door with wood in the middle. It's a metal door. So this is gonna be the bathroom door right here for the guest, and we're also gonna have another door right here to go in to the kitchen. So when you come in through the front, there's gonna be a wall right here, as what I said before, and then there's gonna be a door to access the back, and then right here is gonna be the pickup area. This whole front area is gonna be a pickup area with a counter right there. So it's, you know, it's a real small kitchen, nothing crazy, nothing big. You know, I got all the lights for the ceiling, and also all the I gotta buy the ceiling tiles as well. So it's quite a bit of stuff I need to buy. And here's that little back alley, the back alleyway. It's like a back entrance. This leads up to where the dumpster is at on the side of the building. So yeah, pretty much we're done here for the day. I received the hood, so I could leave now and go back to the salon. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the salon. I gotta go and clean the salon. So the day is going, guys. It's still, you know, luckily I had just pulled up at the salon, and when I pulled up at the salon, the hood guy called me and said, "Hey, the guy's out there with the truck. He's out there with the truck. If I could go meet him." So I said, "Dang!" Luckily, I pulled up right by the salon. So I ended up just driving out and come and meet him. The same guy who delivered that hood over there was the same guy who delivered this one. So he already knew. He came, he knew me. African guy, he's from Kenya. He already knew me, so he just, you know, sat and wait on me. Oh, I can't even move this, guys. Alright, so the windows are blocked out anyway, so I could just leave it right there. I am gonna turn the internet. I'm gonna get them put internet in here. The reason why I want internet so I could start putting up cameras. This area is a pretty cool area, pretty safe area, but guys, nowhere is safe in this world. People will see your stuff and steal it for some reason. They'll find you and steal your stuff, you know. So I'm gonna put the cameras in and get some surveillance going on. So I'll put the cameras up here on the outside so we could see the parking lot on both sides, and then I'll put one on the inside, maybe up in this corner. That way I could see the front door and the back door at the same time, you know. I just need like one camera right there. So I am gonna get the internet installed over here as soon as next week, because I start to put stuff in here. So once you start to put stuff in here, then you know you might want to install some kind of surveillance or some kind of alarm. That way if somebody break in, you know, as I said, the gas station open almost 24 hours. I think they close 1-2 o'clock. They are going to be open in 24 hours in the future, so there's always someone here. However, you don't know when these mischief people are going to swing your way. This area is a new area for me. I know it's a good area. We don't have break-ins and stuff like that. We don't hear or know anyone who has those issues. It is, you know, people would say upper class neighborhood. This is where we are. So I'm not expecting any of that, but you never know. You know what I'm saying? You just never know. You would be in the richest area and the most safest area and things still happen. Human beings, they're mischief. They steal stuff to make money. They steal stuff for no reason at all. You know, we don't know. So it is what it is. But yeah, let me put my tonneau cover back on, guys. Alright guys, so our cover is back on. I had to take it off to so we can slide. This one was longer, so I had to take it off so I could slide this all the way up. As you can tell, it's real super long. So the pallet jack, I'm gonna leave it up here for a minute. That way if I have to move it around, I could move it back around. Maybe on Monday I'll take it back to the truck yard. Yeah. So alright guys, let me head over back to the salon because I gotta head over back to the salon. I haven't gone there from morning to get it cleaned, so I'm gonna go and get it cleaned. Alright guys, so someone left this in the door. It's Food Service Resources Association pre-opening guide and task list. So it's just pretty much it's just information on, you know, like a checklist of stuff that, you know, you will be doing, you know, like from the time you register your stuff with, you know, health department, all of that. It gives you like security people, gas south, clean energy, that's the used oil collection people, you know. It just gives you a bunch of information, you know, like uniforms, you know, cash register people, you know, Ecolab, pest control, you know, accounting people, serve safe stuff, you know, ADP. It just gives you vendors, you know, US Foods, you know, it gives you a contact. See, A-City discount is in there with a contact person, ADT, you know. So it's just a guide. When opening restaurants, it gives you a guide. who to call and what companies to get involved with, you know, that's what this is. So whatever that company is, they left it in the door, which is very good. It's informative. I thought it was some kind of sales thing, but it turns out it's very informative. Anyway, I'm gonna close these doors and head on over to the salon. Let me check this back door and make sure it's closed. That's closed. Let's head on out, guys. Let's head on out. Stay tuned. We're on it.